So I'll be showing you how to enable the always on display on your Apple Watch. So what you want to do is press on the crown on the side to open the main menu, and then find settings and tap on that. Scroll down the settings page until you get to display and brightness. Tap on that, and then under display and brightness you should see always on. If it's off, it's going to tell you it's off right at the bottom there. So tap on that menu and then turn on the toggle button to enable the always on display. Now once you enable it, you'll also have a few more options. You can have what to show, which complications to show, whether you want to see notifications on the always on display, and whether you want it to show apps on the always on display. So depending on what you want, but that's basically how to enable the always on display on your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.